How exactly and when do I reach prospective patients via marketing tactics? That is called understanding the patient journey versus your touch points, and that is what I'm going to be covering in today's video. Welcome to Digital Dental Marketing Made Easy. Today we're going to be diving into what the patient journey is and what touch points you must have. The goal of having good touch points and understanding the patient journey is knowing what best tactic to use at which time or which stage in the patient journey, with the main goal to ensure that that prospective patient chooses you over your competitor. So stage number one is awareness. So that patient is probably not aware that your clinic exists or that you have a specific treatment that could meet their needs. So what are the touch points that you could have at this stage? There are numerous touch points. The ones that I'm going to touch upon are social media posts. So those are organic posts that you would be using on your social media channels. So you ensure that you are there, which is where your target audience would be hanging out online and looking for some information, for example, or getting some recommendations for clinics. So that's one area. The other part that you could do is you could have ads. So I would really recommend Facebook ads and Instagram ads, either about your clinic, either about your team, or either about a specific treatment that you want to promote. The other really good way of increasing awareness and having a touch point for a prospective patient at the awareness stage is to create a promo video of your clinic. And there's a couple of ways that you could do that. Either you go the professional route and you create a professional video for your clinic, or you actually can create a series of videos that you create yourself with your iPhone. Either you could do a Facebook Live and you decide to do that on a weekly basis, or you create a couple of less than 1 minute videos that explain either a treatment or explain the philosophy of your clinic. Okay, so stage number two is research. At this point, the prospective patient is aware and is actively seeking more information either about your clinic or about a specific treatment online. And so here are the touch points that you could have at this stage. Number one, Google My Business. You want to make sure that you have set up your profile properly and that you've been creating a couple of posts on there or even listed some of your services or products on Google My Business. And we actually have a video for you that you could go and check out to see how you could optimize your Google My Business account for dentists. Secondly, you could have an FAQ section on your website that talks about specifics either on a treatment or about what a patient could expect when they come to your clinic. The second thing that they could find out online is a blog. So if you have a blog that talks either about your clinic or about a treatment, so for example, wisdom teeth, maybe you want to talk about what to eat after wisdom teeth or what not to eat after wisdom teeth. So they're going to find you that way. The third touch point that you could have is to be retargeting visitors via Facebook ads using retargeting strategies. Stage number three is when a prospective patient is strongly considering either going to your clinic or a specific treatment. At this point, your touch points could be various. So one of them could be running a Facebook ad campaign that leads traffic back to your website to have patients book an appointment. The second thing that you could do in terms of a touch point would be a Facebook lead generation ad. And the third thing you could do, which is something that would be offline, is host an info session about a treatment or about your clinic. Stage number four is the one that we want the most, which is treatment acceptance. And at that point, your touch point is everything that has to do with the in-clinic experience for that patient. So you want to make sure that you are aligned with what you are saying, that your brand represents you online, with what the clinic experience is going to be and what your staff is going to be informing that patient. Stage number five is post-treatment service. And at this point, you've already provided a treatment, and this is a fantastic opportunity for you to secure a testimonial from a happy patient. So those were the 5 stages of the patient journey. As you were able to see, stages 1 to 3 is where you could really influence that patient to consider your clinic over your competitor's clinic. And you could use a lot of online marketing to make sure that you have those touch points at the right moment. Make sure to download our complete guide to online marketing for dental practices. You're going to see the link below in the description. Let me know if you have any questions about dental marketing in general or on how to have really good touch points at the different stages in the patient journey. I will see you next time, same place.